In this video, we're going to work on long division. So if we have a problem like this that says divide 5 into 760. So we're doing slightly more complicated problems. So I just want to color code everything so it makes it easier to follow. So remember that when we do this, we start this way. So we try to figure out if 5 fits into 7, which it does, right? It does fit into it. So how many times does 5 fit into 7? So we first use the place value of hundreds, right? So this is the hundreds place value, this is the tens, this is the ones. So 5 fits into 7 only once. So let's put that there. And then we multiply 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So let's put 5 here in turquoise. Then the next step is to subtract 7 minus 5. Right? Oh, we're not ready for that step yet. Okay, so let's just subtract 7 minus 5. And it's 2, right? So now the next step is bring down the tens place value. So that's this guy here. This is the tens. So we use an arrow, bring it down here, and we have 26, right? So then we need to figure out how many times does 5 fit into 26, right? So divide 26 divide by 5. So 5 fits into 26 5 times, right? Because I know that 5 times 5 is 25. So we'll put 5 here in the tens place value, okay? Then the next step, and you just repeat the steps now, right? So multiply 5 times 5. So this 5 times this 5 equals 25, right? So let's put 25 here. And then you subtract 26 minus 25. 26 minus 25 has 1, right? And then we have to look if we have any more numbers, and we do, right? So we have a 0 here. So it says bring down the ones place value. So let's bring that down. And if you want to know a trick on where to stop bringing it down, is when you look for this line here for your subtraction, you put it right under that line, right? So just after the line, so you know it's 10 now. So the next step, of course, is divide 5 into 10. So how many times does 5 fit into 10? And we know that it's 2, right? Because 5 times 2 is 10. So put 2 here. And then the next step is multiply 5 times 2. So this number 5 times 2 is 10. Now you subtract 10 minus 10, and you're left with 0. And there are no more numbers. We finished. So that's the whole problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. I have links in the description to other problems that I've done that are similar to this but are a little bit shorter and simpler. And I also have an ebook that you can download that has this problem in it, and you can just follow it on the ebook as you listen to this tutorial. Don't worry, practice makes improvement, and anyone can do math.